This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Erica Duncan. Welcome home to this custom-built full brick condo located in prestigious Grant Park. Open concept main level floor plan features 10 feet ceilings, hardwood flooring, 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Granite countertops in kitchen and all bathrooms. 2-sided gas log fireplace separates the living room and kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Master suite has huge walk-in closet, garden tub with separate walk-in shower and double sinks. Spacious laundry room with additional storage. 460 square feet flex space upstairs with walk-in closet and a third full bathroom that has many possibilities. Can be used as a second master/guest suite or family room. Finished 2-car attached garage with garage door opener and low entry thresholds. For more information, review the details below or contact Erica Duncan at 317-445-5796.